Hey guys, today we're going to talk about grid tie solar systems and hybrid solar systems. We're going to go through the basic differences. We're also going to explain what the systems are, how they work, and what they do. So first we'll start with a grid tie power system. Basically that's solar panels set up on your house that runs power back to the grid. Why are you giving power back to the grid? So that your electric bill is reduced, your meter is sent reversed, and that power is sent back to the electric company, and in the meantime they lower the electric bill. A hybrid solar system is very similar. It's sending power back to the grid, reducing your electric bill, but at the same time it's also storing power in a battery bank, a reserve power source, so that if power is lost, you'll still have battery backup and your electronics will still work. Now, if you're using a grid tie inverter without the hybrid system, without a battery bank, when power is lost so that the electric company can repair their equipment, they completely cut power. So this way you'll have no electric power, you'll have no access to your equipment. So those are the two simple basic differences between the two types of systems. Both of them have their advantages and disadvantages. Both of them are going to save you money. As far as setting up the battery bank with a hybrid system, it's a little bit more of a complex system. It's maybe set up for more people that are in places where the power is maybe a little less reliable, a little bit more losses of power, and you want to stay with that power that you're having at a consistent level at all times. So that in that case, it makes a little bit more sense to be setting up a battery bank and monitoring that battery bank, but it does make the system a little bit more complex. It does cost obviously more to set up because you have to always be monitoring your batteries, making sure that they're good, making sure that they're not overcharged or undercharged, damaging the battery system. So it's a little bit more complex, but for some people they do need to have that hybrid system set up because power in their area might be less reliable. So if you guys need some more information, feel free to contact us at powerinverters.com. We'll be happy to go through your equipment. Remember, whenever setting up a solar system, setup is key. Going through the equipment properly is the most important part, because once you're making a long-term commitment, like setting up a solar system, you're going to want to have everything set up properly. Setting up the battery bank so the batteries don't overcharge or undercharge, damaging equipment, replacing equipment. That's not the type of thing that you're going to want to do too often. When you want to set up a solar system, make sure it's set up properly so that you get the full efficiency for the value that you're going to put out. It does cost a lot to set up this type of system, but it could be very valuable after the time that you pay off the equipment. The savings could be unbelievable. So basically contact us if you need more information. We're happy to help.